About how to upload a document directly to an assignment. So we're going to start there. This is a sample class. This might not be your class, but I'm just using it as an example. So right now I'm in Stream. Stream is where you have all of the information that I have uploaded in the order that I uploaded it. So that can be a little confusing. So I generally like to go to classwork, which is up here in the middle, classwork. And when I click on classwork, it takes me to everything that's divided kind of in folders. So if I'm looking for example, the final draft of my critical lens research essay, and that's what I want to put in. I'll click on that. It says it's due tonight by 11:59 p.m. I click on View Assignment, and I see that I can add a comment. So I can ask the class as a whole something, or I can also send a message to my teacher. Private comments come directly to me. The rest of the class doesn't see them. So those are the choices for communicating. Then I'm going to go up here where it says Your Work. I'm going to add or create from my Google Drive. I'm going to select something from my Google Drive. And so, for example, I have Bingham Test. I'm going to pick that because that is my final draft. Okay, it says it's there. I double check the name, but before I go to turn it in, I just want to triple check that it is the actual essay that I think it is. So I can double click on it, open it up, and I see, oh, here's my essay. Okay, great, that's exactly what I meant to put in there. And then I'm going to click Turn In, and turn in again. And boom, my work is submitted. Now, sometimes you have a different kind of assignment. In our class, we might have vocabulary. So this asks about the narrative paragraph. Okay, so you have online vocabulary, but it says using Google Docs, compose a unified one-paragraph story using 8 of the 10 words assigned for this week's vocabulary. See the attached Quizlet for this week's word list. So I click on View Assignment, and in this case, I don't already have an essay that I've been working on. So I'm going to click Add or Create, and I'm going to create a new document. And I'm going to wait because for some reason my Wi-Fi has gotten unbearably slow, probably because my daughter's in the other room streaming. I'm not. Yes, you are. I'm not. You're not? Okay, now it works. And I'm going to open that document, and I will see there's nothing there's nothing in there, but it already has a name. Bingham Test Vocabulary Set 1, the narrative paragraph. Now Bingham Test is the name I put on this account, so I can go in and look around as you do. So I would write my name, English 12, and today's date, 03/23, oops, no, 03 March, nope, that's not right either. March 03, 2020, there we go. That's wrong too. 03 March 2020. It's been so long since I communicated with another human being, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, and narrative paragraph. Right, and I'm going to take those words that I gave you, and I'm going to write a story using those words. So once there was a man whose death was so lamented by his town. Okay, and I underline lamented because it's a vocabulary word. I'll go through and I'll do the other 8. And then I'm going to come up here to this lovely button here and click Turn In. When I'm all done. One attachment will be submitted for vocabulary set 1, the narrative paragraph. Turn in. Yay! Okay. The last situation is when you have an assignment that is a form. So you have this. Here we go. This one. Assignment, navigation. You're going to fill out this form. You're going to click Submit. When you click Submit, you're going to go back to Google Calendar, Google Classroom, and you're going to mark it as done. I can't mark it as done. You have to do that because you know that you filled it in and you clicked Submit, so you know you're done. Now, the way to double check that I actually got that is in a day or two, you will have a grade posted on Schedula that will reflect the assignment that you completed for me. Okay, any questions? Please comment on this video below the video link where it says comments. You can use the class comments or the private comments. And of course, don't forget to complete the assessment for this video to show me that you know exactly what I'm talking about and that you watched and you didn't wait. I didn't waste my time all by myself, all alone. Thank you.